Hello everybody, this is a quick video on how to remove a pedal from your bike. GCN take 5 minutes. I'll try and show you in less than one. If your mum hasn't got a 15mm spanner, or your crank's too fat to fit a normal spanner, for goodness sake don't waste 30-40 quid on a flipping Park Tools spanner, because you'll only be a tool yourself. You're just paying for that blue bit of plastic on the handle. What's easier, my friends, is just to get a good set of Allen keys. I bought these from a Chinese shop for less than £2, less than €2, $2 probably. Always remember, if you're using the Allen key always turns to loosen, always turn it towards the back of the bike. If it's really stuck, put your right foot on the pedal and then resting against the wall, push down on the Allen key with your left foot. Problem solved. I can assure you it works every time. And you got enough money to buy a beer at the end of the day. Cheers, good night, God bless.